In this video, we're going to explore AWS CodeArtifact, a service that might not sound flashy at first, but it solves a very real challenge in modern software development. To really understand what CodeArtifact brings to the table, we first need to see how developers normally handle the software packages their projects rely on. When developers build applications, they don't start completely from scratch. Instead, they rely on built packages or pre-built bundles of code that provide common functionality like database access, encryption, web frameworks, or testing tools. Using packages saves time and avoids reinventing the wheel. It could be a framework, a small utility library, or even a tool that your team wrote internally. But here's the catch. These packages come in different versions, and not all versions play nicely together. Or there's a chance that teams often need both open source packages from the internet and custom packages developed in-house. The other case would be, without a central place to manage them, developers might waste time searching online, or worse, pulling the wrong version and cause bugs. That's where CodeArtifact comes in. Think of CodeArtifact as a secure, fully managed library where your teams can always find and share the software packages they need. With CodeArtifact, you can store, publish, and share packages safely across your organization. Whether it's Java libraries, Python modules, or JavaScript frameworks, everything lives in one trusted location. CodeArtifact doesn't just support open source packages from public repositories. It also lets you host your own private packages, so developers don't have to juggle multiple sources. Now, in the context of CodeArtifact, the word artifact has a broad meaning. What do we mean by that? An artifact isn't limited to just code libraries. It can cover many different outputs of the software development process and basically anything produced during the build and release process, like a compiled application, a deployable package, a shared library, supporting documentation, and many other things that we can talk about. Another key advantage is version control and approval. CodeArtifact allows engineering managers or IT leaders to define which packages are approved and safe to use. That means teams only work with tested or stable versions, reducing the risk of unexpected failures from untested, shiny new updates. This approach prioritizes stability and reliability over always chasing the latest release, keeping development focused and predictable. For now, the key takeaway is that CodeArtifact provides a centralized repository for all of your artifacts, streamlining the way they're organized, shared, and governed across your teams. And that's a wrap to this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.